What is going on, guys? Back again to install something on the Evo that I picked up this morning, which is insane. It was not meant to be bought just yet, but I fell through and bought it anyway. So we're going to be installing it. It should be a pretty quick install, but I'll show you what I got now. That's right, we got the WK Motorsport 6-speed short shifter, so yeah, we're going to be installing that. It shouldn't take long at all, honestly. And then what we're going to do as well, because which you've either seen or you didn't, I don't know, might have to just cut out what I just said just then, you might not have even heard anything, but I'm gonna go get photos before this storm happens, because if I show you the weather now, it's disgusting. First day in like 3 weeks, I reckon, that it hasn't rained, which is good, but did get a severe weather warning saying large hailstones. That I don't really care about rain, but hailstones is not very nice. So yeah, gonna try get some videos and photos and stuff like that down at probably an undercover car park. There's nice lighting, and just like practice using this camera so I can actually get good photos, because I'm always relying on other people, and I've got such a good camera. The G7X Mark II is an amazing camera. It's not just for vlogging, and even though it does make it easy, I was waiting because I didn't know if I was gonna go 5-speed or not, but I feel for how much I drive the car and the power figure I'm going for, the 6-speed should be fine. If it goes, it goes. I may upgrade to 5 then, and I can just buy the WK Motorsports 5-speed, because that one won't work. First of all, we're going to be removing this trim, the shift knob. You can take this charger out, and the ashtray, which again we can take out. But yeah, we're going to be taking that out. I do have a plan for the center console piece here too, or center, whatever you want to call it. What the fuck is going on? So you just have to remove underneath the ashtray, there's a Phillips head screw, and then the 2 screws in the center console, you remove them and you can pop this this section. It's enough, and then there's 2 more Phillips head screws just down here. Now that they're out, it should, yep, there we go, should pop up. Ugh, you can push that back down so it's over. Go out of the way. So now we should end up with basically what you're looking at now. And then there's just the 1, 2, 3, I think only 4, they look like 14mm bolts or 12mm. I'll get a socket and find out. And then yeah, just taking these off of the, like, this one's your reverse. Oh, I think you need to remove this. You have to remove this too, yeah. That's 10mm bolts. So I'll move that, and then, yeah, apparently it makes life easier. You take that metal bracket off. Yeah, you just want to get the brackets off. This one is just a, looks like a CU clamp thingamajig. So you pop that off like that. There we go. Alright, so now I've taken both the cables out of the actual assembly, so we can take these, I think they're 4 12mm, so I'll just change over the socket. Yep, 12mm. Sorry for like the poor lighting as well. Giddy up. There we go. Just need the 4 bolts out, and then this should just come straight out like that. Sick. So this is the old stock one, so out with the old and in with this new masterpiece. I'm lucky that as well, that it was already pre-owned because all the set points for the nuts and bolts should be pretty much where they need to be. So I just need to pretty much bolt this in, connect the clips, and then just check it goes into each gear, and then that's it, we're going for a drive. So the new one should just be able to push it in just, oh shit, we're stuck. That's pushed in, that one's pushed in. Oh, basically that goes there, and then we'll start putting in these bolts. Okay, now this one on the inside looks way more painful because it's hard to freaking get to. But what I reckon we do, take this clip off. Okay, that's on. There we go. And then just need to put this clip back on. Yep, like that. Perfect. Alright. Wow. That feels insane. That is so short. So also what they say in the video, they cable tie around the clips to keep them on, but I really don't think that's necessary. But that's the shifter install. That is absolutely insane. The quality is sick. We got first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, reverse. That is so solid, that is sick. So now I'm gonna quickly get the interior back together. Obviously it would just be in reverse. So the WK Motorsport shifter is finally installed, and I tell you what, it feels super notchy. It's insane. I can't wait to drive this thing. Hopefully I can go out now. Hopefully I can still beat this rain. If not, I might go out tomorrow and get some clips anyway. So either way, you'll see that now or whatever. Either way, this is a sick install and is definitely a must to get because this thing is insane. Like, wow. And I like it without the shift boots. This shift knob as well, I don't know the weight of it and if I'd get a random spare second and take it off. But to me, that is the heaviest shift knob I've ever felt. That is so solid and so heavy. Yeah, WK, absolute killer shifter kit, that's for sure. I mean, definitely the best on the market.
Tomorrow.
All right, day two, because I actually absolutely pissed down yesterday. We're gonna test out the shifter. Car's dusty as, because it's a garage queen, and I'm not gonna wash it because it's literally about to rain again soon anyway, but I need to get the clips and the footage for you guys, so I'm gonna quickly go do this now. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. Oh, look at it. Forgot how good it looks. That is sick. Oh, dude. It just completes the inside of the car, but that's insane. So, neutral, get a cold start for the boys. Oh, ENF5 took a bit longer that time. So I just quickly took this for a spin, and this shifter is amazing. It's so notchy, you know, when you're in gear. I mean, I haven't absolutely banged through gears, but you can actually like, you can tell when it's in gear because you feel it click, and it's so, yeah, it's so solid. I can't explain it. I was lucky enough that, yeah, all the nuts and bolts were preset because it was already on either 8 and 6 speed, so it was already set. I just went through every single gear, perfect, even reversed, so it's perfect. So let's get out of the car now and quickly get some little cinematic footage, even though I don't have a tripod or a dongle or whatever it is, a gimbal, that's what it is. Yeah, but I'll try to get as much good quality stuff as I can get, so let's get it.